We can't control the waves of the ocean, but we can learn to surf them better. Well, reality comes at us like these waves, and we have to navigate them. The problem is when we believe there's something that's there that's not reality, then we can't surf them as well. So as Socrates said 2,500 years ago, the only thing that makes me wise at all is the fact that I realize I don't know anything. So if you walk through examples in your life of what to eat, we're still arguing about what the best diet is. We don't know. Science keeps upgrading and updating, and there's a lot of contradictions from what we previously believed. Our entire justice system is based on reasonable doubt, and we don't actually have the certainties, just what we feel. So when you start adopting this mindset, you're a better surfer of reality, and you don't attach strong passion to things that might not be the full truth. It makes you a truth seeker, and it makes you an agnostic, and it makes you open to getting better.